What's up, moosers or zoomers or boomers? Anyway, I just ordered this Xclutch from Viva Performance, and we're gonna go through unboxing it today. See you on the flip side.
Alright, we're back. What's up, guys? So basically I'm gonna just go everything before I actually just unbox the clutch real quick. But thanks to Viva Performance to get me this clutch. They were super helpful and everything, and I originally ordered the clutch from them was out of stock, and it'd probably take Xclutch 2 months to get it out. Nothing against either of them, but I didn't really want to wait that long, so Viva reached out to Xclutch, and we're basically talking with them to be able to find me a solution to that. And this is actually, I'm the first person to buy this specific clutch kit. So it's an Xclutch sprung organic twin disc clutch. There's other people running ceramic twin disc clutches, but this one includes the pressure plate, the sprung organic twin full face clutch discs, and they're rated for about 750 foot-pounds of torque, not horsepower, torque. Alignment tool, chromoly single mass flywheel, pressure plate bolts and flywheel bolts, and then the clutch slave cylinder. So they have a little disclaimer on the Viva Performance site that you should order the S60R V70R, the P2R slave, and not use the one in the kit. So I ordered that in addition. I won't show it in the video, but basically Xclutch is a proven company known for developing some of the best clutches for a vehicle. Viva Performance also has a couple other clutches there that of, you know, the genuine Volvo, and basically whatever part you want, I'm sure Viva can find it. Their customer service is literally unbelievable. It's awesome. Super fast responses. Like, I was at work messaging with them, and they were super helpful in finding me this kit, so I didn't have to wait a couple months. They actually got it to me pretty quick, COVID time, even though it got delayed. But let's open this up real quick. So first things first, we have literally a massive amount of stickers. Like, I couldn't be happier. I mean, I'm happy I got the clutch, but it's freaking awesome how many stickers they add. I did take some of them off, but so they have the black, and then with the white, or they have the purple, or they have the white. I took them off already, except for this one. I don't think you can see a little bit, but they literally have so many stickers in here. It's crazy. It comes with, so they give you basically tech bulletins, kind of pointers on everything. They give you some specs and kind of the steps to go through everything, what, like torque specs as well. They also give you a video to help watch. They have a bunch of different clutch kits, but this is the one I picked up. There's another one. And then they have like a box inside of a box here, but so basically this gives you kind of like a checklist of what to do, you know, before fitting it up to your vehicle, and then lots of padding and whatnot. But here it is right here, the beast. So they got some your bolts, that all you need right here. Some grease. Let's see if it'll focus. And then right here on this side, this is the slave that comes in the kit. I'm probably just going to end up selling this since it's not really for my car. Viva said it's mainly for the P1s. So if anyone wants this, actually message me on Instagram. And then the alignment tool, it's all wrapped up, but I'll take it out real quick so you guys can see that. So here's the alignment tool for it. super nice quality, everything like that. Don't have a problem with, like, I was opening this and it was like a kid on Christmas Day. Here he goes. Here's the clutch. Everything. I'm just going to show you this right here. Super nice purple with obviously the Xclutch logo on it. It's like kind of like a machined face right here, and it also gives you torque specs on it as well, which is very helpful. They're right here. So it's kind of put together, but flip it up on its side. So here's the back. I'm not going to fully take this apart, but hopefully you can see both discs inside there. Should be able to see that. Pull you up closer. See all of it. So this is the whole kit, basically. If you have any questions, let me know. Definitely do contact Viva Performance for any of your parts needs. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. This clutch, I'm going to have it in the car. Hopefully I can get a video of that for you guys, but let's go to a little bit of a cinematic view.